Is your HP printer not printing? Let's fix it step by step.
First, make sure your printer is turned on and properly connected to Wi-Fi. Restart your printer and computer to clear temporary errors. Set your HP printer as the default printer in your system settings. Clear any stuck print jobs from the queue. Use HP's free Print and Scan Doctor tool to fix issues automatically. Check your ink levels and make sure paper is loaded correctly. Now print a test page to confirm everything is working. And that's it, your HP printer should be working perfectly now. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel or comment your issue below. We're here to help.